This RCA plug to 6.35mm mono jack adapter converts 6.35mm mono plug to RCA plug. With its full molded construction, this splitter will split the audio signal without a loss of quality. Widely used in home, KTV, or other places where use the audio device. Great for speaker use for mono channel microphone connecting. Easy to use. Just plug and play. You can create a RCA socket by insert the 6.35mm mono plug to RCA socket easily.